Up next, Greenstrawberry's NCC-1701 Hanger Bay. Hey everybody, it's Kenny Conklin from SciFiAntasy.com and welcome to another unboxing. Today we're going to take a look at the Greenstrawberry 1/537 scale NCC-1701-A Hanger Bay. I was talking about this on the live show the other night and I said I was going to hold off till the end for this one, but a lot of people really wanted to see it, so we're going to take care of this review today. If you haven't checked out Greenstrawberry, please go over to their website. You can get this product and a whole bunch of other PE figures, bases and stuff like that on their site. So here is the link and it's also in the description below. You just got to click on it and it'll take you to the site. Very good prices, fast delivery and free shipping. So it's not a bad deal at all. So let's get over to the bench and stop listening to me. So as always, we're going to take you through the full kit from box to ending. And this is kit number 07819-1537, and it's for the NCC-1701 Hanger Bay, full resin detail set for the AMT kit, and it's 1/537 scale. So it comes in a hard cardboard box. It shows you a picture on front, what you're going to be getting in the box, and then it's just got a little write-up in the back, a warning, and Greenstrawberry's website right here. So let's open up the box and see what comes in this kit. The first thing we'll go over is the instruction sheet. It has their logo, tells you what kit it is, and it shows you what pieces, resin pieces come in the kit, what decals come in the kit, and what photo etch comes in the kit. Then it goes through the key to let you know what each symbol means, and it has the red removal signs to show you where you're going to cut off the pour stubs from the resin. Then it goes through building the hanger bay itself. It's only one sheet, and then it shows you on top here where to put the decal, how to put the hanger bay together, and finally the outside PE for the exterior of the shuttle bay. The first piece in the box we'll go over is the decals. You can see they have the shuttle bay floor all lined out for you, so you don't have to worry about painting it. Trying to get the reflection of my studio lights off of there for you so you can see. And then also looks like some hazard decals over here, and then you also have a bunch of windows over here. The decals look nice, they're pretty clean, good detail. They should go on pretty well as long as you take your time and do them correctly. So they did a nice job on the decals here. The set of resin comes in its own bag, so we're going to take them out and check out the parts. We'll start with the floor of the shuttle bay. So you got the rounded end over there for towards the aft end of the ship where the shuttle bay doors would be. You have a little thin resin in between the grooves here, which will come out easy with a hobby knife. That's not a problem. And the pour stub is exactly where it should be on the flat end of the shuttle bay floor. So you'll be able to cut that off closer to the stub and then take care of the rest pretty easily. This way you don't have an uneven surface over here. And then the decal that I showed you before would lay right on top of here. So it's pretty nice floor. It looks like it doesn't matter what side you use on here. It's the same thing on both sides. So don't worry about that. There is a little warp to it. No big deal. It's a thin piece, so warping is going to happen with resin. Like I told you with the last kit, you'll take it, you'll put it in some warm water, let it sit in there, put something heavy on it once you get it nice and warmed up, and then that'll flatten out. Just leave it to cool and dry and you'll get a flat piece. So don't worry about that. Up next is the roof of the shuttle bay, or the ceiling of the shuttle bay, whichever way you want to call it. You can see the ribbing on top and you can see the ports cut out in there. It's already pre-made, so you don't have to worry about drilling or anything like that. And you can light up your shuttle bay. You don't have to worry about making these squares perfect. Lucas and Greenstrawberry already took care of that for you. All you got to do is pop in your lights, your wiring, and your board, and you'll be good to go. The pour stub is on the bottom, so you don't have to worry. Just be careful because this piece is very thin, so you don't want to mess anything up when you're cutting. Just get yourself a razor saw, cut as close as you can to the huge pour stub, slowly and gently. This way you don't break it, and then you can take off the rest of the resin very slowly and make sure everything is good to go, because you're paying money for a piece. You want to make sure you do delicate pieces like this softly, or gently I should say. This way you don't break anything. Next up are the side walls of the Shuttle Bay. You can see the one window open there. This way you can put lighting through there if you want. And the pour stub on this one is on the bottom. So again, you're going to cut it off and just get your piece out of there. You got some detail over here and over here. I'll show you the other side. It's just a mirror image of this side. So you got the same exact thing. Pour stub on the bottom, take that off. Little window here already made for you. So Lucas and Greenstrawberry already took care of the hard parts for us. So it makes our lighting challenge a little bit easier. Here is the rear wall of the Shuttle Bay. Again, smart spot to put it. They put the pour stub on the bottom. This way you can get a straight cut. Here's the detail. And for some reason, I am having such a brain malfunction now. I cannot think of the name of the passageway. So I'm going to call it the elevator tonight. But it's not the elevator. And somebody's going to kill me for that. But my mind is just drawing a blank. But you have the detail there on the back and some windows where you're going to just black those out. Or you could try to open them up if you want to. But I would just leave it how it is. But another nice piece. It'll fit right into the other parts of the Shuttle Bay, and it'll make that Shuttle Bay look very nice. And the last piece of resin is the Shuttle Bay doors, and they're in the open position. There's no way I would want them closed if I'm going to do the fully lit interior of a Shuttle Bay. But you're going to be replacing the kit part with this part. And again, I love the places that Lucas has been putting all the pour stubs. This is on the back of the piece itself. So you can take that off easily, and if you make a little mistake, it's no big deal because it's not on the front half. But it's nicely cast, no flash on any of the pieces that I showed you except that little bit, and that's just what I have on my finger here. It's just flake flash. You just take that right off, it's no problem. Just be careful, as I keep saying, with your pour stubs and some more delicate parts. You want to make sure that those stay intact for you. And the last piece in the kit is a small fret of PE with 2 pieces on it for the outside of the Shuttle Bay doors to replicate the detail that we see on the ship itself. They are opened up. You can see the little vents opened up. If I remember correctly, there can be lighting in here, but the last resin piece wasn't lit up, so you would have to mark those off, open it up, and put your lighting there if you choose to do it that way. But it's nicely detailed. You can see all the little details on that PE here in 1/537 scale. Again, Lucas and the team have knocked this out of the park and have done a great job on this kit. Now don't go away, because I'm going to show you a slideshow of these pieces in action. So that's it for this unboxing of the 1/537 scale NCC-1701-A hanger bay from Greenstrawberry. As always, I'd like to thank Lucas and the team at Greenstrawberry for sending over the product so we can check it out and we can show it to you. Again, if you haven't checked out Greenstrawberry, just go to their website right here. Go check them out, see if there's anything you want. Again, great prices, fast shipping and free shipping. I'm pretty sure on most of the items, if not all of the items. And I would personally like to thank Lucas for making parts for that kit to try to pretty it up, because I can't stand that kit itself. The one which I had was that they would take the 1/350 scale kit and shrink it down to the 1/537 scale, because a lot of us don't have the room for those big kits, and the smaller kit with the 1/350 detail would be great on our shelf. But again, that's their call. But at least Lucas is trying to help us make that ship look a little bit better with his add-on kits that he has. So thanks for stopping by, everybody. If you have any questions or comments, just throw it in the comment section below and I'll get back to you as quickly as I can. That's pretty much it for this unboxing. So we'll see you next time. Have a great night. Take care and bye-bye.